Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your slide out for your Winnebago Spirit 31K. For this Winnebago, to utilize the slide out, you must have these 4 things done first. The key in the ignition turned to on, the parking brake pressed in, the coach battery on, and connected to a 30 amp power source. If you don't have a 30 amp power source, you can also use your generator to move the slide out. You're now ready to utilize your slide out. To do that, locate the button that says slide room and press the out button. Also, while moving the slide out, make sure there is nothing on it or outside obstructing its movement. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.